Mixing Vaseline with baking soda looks a little strange at first, and honestly, the texture looks kind of crazy in the beginning. But trust the process. Today, I'm showing you why this unusual combination is actually an amazing DIY beauty hack for creating a powerful, budget-friendly deodorant paste or a deep softening treatment for rough skin. To get started, you just need a clean, heat-safe little bowl and a wooden board to keep your space organized. First, we're going to scoop out a generous spoonful of our 100% pure white petrolatum, good old Vaseline. Vaseline is an incredible occlusive that locks in moisture perfectly, but because it's so thick at room temperature, we need to alter its texture so it can blend smoothly with our powder. To do that safely without burning it, we're using a simple double boiler method. Place your small ceramic bowl right inside a larger pot. Next, carefully pour hot water around the base of the small bowl. You don't need a rolling boil, just nice hot water to gently transfer the heat. Give it a few moments, and you'll see the jelly start to soften and melt down into a smooth, workable liquid. Once the Vaseline is nicely melted, it's time to add our star ingredient, baking soda. Grab a spoonful and add it directly into the warm jelly. Now, baking soda is naturally alkaline, which makes it absolutely incredible at neutralizing the bacteria that cause body odor, rather than just masking it with heavy perfumes. It's a total game changer if you're looking for a simpler alternative to store-bought deodorants. Now take your spoon and start mixing them together thoroughly. This is where the magic happens, and that strange texture starts to change. You want to stir it up until the powder is fully incorporated into the warm jelly. As you mix, it will transform into a beautiful, creamy, uniform paste. Make sure there are no dry pockets of baking soda left at the bottom. The warmth from the water bath makes this process so effortless. Once it's perfectly blended, carefully remove the bowl from the water and transfer your fresh mixture into a small, clean travel container or cosmetic jar. Let it cool down for a few minutes, and it will solidify back up into a rich, easy-to-use balm. To apply, just scoop a tiny pea-sized amount with your fingers. Let it melt slightly against your skin's natural warmth, and smooth it right on. And there you have it, a simple, natural, two-ingredient solution for fresh, soft skin. If you tried this out, let me know how it worked for you in the comments skincare below, if you're going to try it today. So why does this weird combination actually work? Well, it's all about balance. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber, but using it completely dry can be way too harsh and drying on delicate skin. By mixing it into the rich, moisturizing base of the melted Vaseline, you get all the benefits of the odor protection without stripping your skin's moisture barrier. It keeps you fresh while keeping your skin incredibly smooth and protected. Just a quick tip before you try this at home. Everyone's skin is completely different because baking soda can be a bit strong for extra sensitive skin types. I highly recommend doing a small patch test on your inner arm before applying it all over. If your skin loves it, you've just found your new favorite Holy Grail DIY hack. If you notice any redness, just ease back on the amount of baking soda next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy life hacks. See you next time.